How to fix Instagram story problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager in your mobile phone. When you open the apps manager, it will take you into this page where you will find the apps that you have in your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Click on force stop and then click on permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions and go back again. Click on storage, click on clear data and click on delete. After that, what you want to do next is go into the Play Store, and if you are using the iPhone, go to the App Store. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram and click here on update. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.